stop traveler. Today we'll be making hotel style kottu parotha. I would like to invite all of you to my kitchen to show the making of this awesome kottu parotha. Using a different variety of coriander leaves over here. We'll also be needing chopped onions, tomatoes, curry leaves. Also goes in spices like garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and meat masala. Also the main ingredient, Kerala parotha. I'm gonna mince the coriander leaves and keep it aside. Now cut the Kerala parotha into small pieces. Transfer these pieces into a plate. Now it's time to keep the pan on a burner. As the pan gets hot, I'm adding some oil. And once the oil is hot, we add some cumin seeds. Keep the burner on low at this point. Otherwise, there are chances that the cumin seeds might get burned. Now it's time to add some asafoetida or hing. In goes the curry leaves. At this point, put the chopped onions and stir it well. I have put it on medium-low flame. Keep stirring till it turns golden yellow. Now it's time to add tomatoes. Well, now we're going to close the pan with a lid like this. Now after 2 minutes, well, our tomatoes have started tenderizing. Stir it well. We will know that the content in the pan is ready when it starts leaving oil. At this point, we're gonna add some masalas. All the masalas that we had taken. I'm gonna pour some water to it because we don't want our masalas to get burnt, do we? At this point, I would prefer to keep the flame on high and keep adding water as needed till the content gets properly blended with each other. At this point, I'm adding some more water and gonna close it with a lid for about 1 minute. I'm keeping it on high flame at this point. After 1 minute, I'm taking the lid off. Awesome aroma coming when I have taken this lid off. After 1 more minute, we add the cut Kerala parothas into this thick gravy. Give it a good mix. At this point, I add the salt. I'm gonna add some more water and I'm adding some more spices to it like chili powder and coriander powder. You can do it as per your liking and as per your taste. Now give it a good mix to ensure that the masalas get blended properly. Now we're gonna garnish this with coriander leaves. We will also be adjusting the spice levels by squeezing some lime like this. Now once again give it a good stir. Well, our awesome kottu parotha is ready for tasting. We have transferred kottu parotha into a plate. Have a look at this. It's so tempting. It's tasting time. Now I'm gonna transfer some kottu parotha to another plate and use mustard mayo as the side dish to go along with the kottu parotha. You can see the link of mustard mayo recipe on top of this video. Hello guys, so it's tasting time and I have made kottu parotha for you. And as a side dish, I have used mustard mayonnaise. And this is a mayonnaise that I have prepared. The link of the recipe is right on top. You can check that out too. Well, let me taste how the kottu parotha tastes. Ooh. I'm gonna dip it well in the mayo that I have prepared. It's mustard mayonnaise. I'm gonna taste it. Awesome flavor. I get the flavor of meat masala, hing, and all that. So I'm gonna have it right now for you guys. Awesome.